Alright guys, today I got this Toyota Camry here, and this radiator cap is no good. It's not holding pressure, so you might want to look into replacing your radiator cap. And here's a radiator cap. It's only like $7, and CSF, that's the brand I'm using here. And it's very simple. Something like this can overheat your car because it's not going to hold the pressure. It's going to back up all the pressure. So it's very simple. You buy a new cap for this Camry. This is the part number here. What the hell is the part number on this? 4514. And you simply just take out this one. Make sure your car is not hot, so because if it's hot, it's gonna burn you and all the antifreeze is gonna shoot out. So slowly you open this up. You might have a little bit of antifreeze coming up anyway because sometimes it's a little bit of pressure in there, but over time this cap will give up and it will not hold the pressure like it's supposed to. Okay, then you take the new cap, and it's okay if you spill some, it's all right. And you simply stick that on and you turn it till it clicks right on the edge. And that's it, you're done. And blow some air, wipe up the rest of the antifreeze, and you're good.